This video is for Theme Control and Sensing, Unit Scratch It. In this video, I'd like to illustrate how computer games work. Now I'm sure many of you have played computer games before, maybe some shoot 'em up games, or maybe a game like this one on the screen now, which is called FIFA 12. I wonder how many of you though have actually thought about how computer games work. How, when I go on my PlayStation 3 or my Xbox or my iPad or my mobile phone, how am I able to play these games? How has someone created this game? For example, this one where we're playing football, how do I control the football players? How do I kick the ball? How am I able to play against somebody? How does it know when I've scored a goal? How come there's a clock on there and it's counting down the time? There's not little men inside our computer running around playing football, so there must be some way of doing it. Well, there is. The way that it works is that there's actually some programming code, like this code here, running in the background of this game being played. So we might see these characters running around kicking a ball, but the computer console, like I said, whether it's an Xbox or a PlayStation, that will read these lines of code. Obviously people have learned how to write these codes and they know how to, what we call, program these computers. You will have had designers who will have designed the characters of these football players and the ball and the stadiums. But then there will be people again who program all of that so that you as a user are able to play that game. What we're going to do in this unit of work is we're going to use a piece of software called Scratch that will allow us to create a very simple computer game. It won't be as complex as something like this, FIFA 12, but we will be able to create a game whereby a user can interact with that game and use their keyboard to play the game that we create.